It's Camille, and I wanted to show you some of the supplies that I have gathered for the month of February. What I plan to do is use a mixture of these supplies throughout the month. I'm going to take the whole thing through theme of navy and blush through the whole month. So each week we'll have a combination of these as well as the monthly spread. As you see, I have my pages here. I have just clipped the edges to take them out because it's easier to work with them when they're out of the planner. And I'm still in my Moxie life, and I've just gathered together blue and pink stamp pads. I've got some Valentine stamps, some daily routine stamps. These are all Cocoa Daisy, and this is an Everyday Explorers Co. And then this is an old, I think, Amy Tangerine stamp that I had. I can't remember where I got it, but I think that's right. And then a block. I've got a Cocoa Daisy kit. So the stickers and the die cuts came in a kit, as well as this pen that I order a subscription kit from Cocoa Daisy. So I'm using that. And then a couple of these washies. These are both Cocoa Daisy. These two right here. Then I had this one from, I think, Studio Calico. And then this, I think, is an old Amy Tangerine. And honestly, I have no idea where I got these three, but I thought they went with the kit as well. So I may use those a little bit. And then I've got two mile liners that are different pinks and a navy blue Sarasa clip pen in 05. This one writes black and this one writes navy blue. So these are the supplies I've gathered, and I'm gonna go through and start putting my month together, and then I'll fast forward during that part so you don't have to watch me painstakingly figure out what I'm gonna do with each each thing and how I'm gonna set it up. So so it's a few days later into the month, but I wanted to show you the final spread. On the right-hand side, I keep a list of the packages that I'm expecting, and then I mark those off as the packages arrive so I know what I'm still looking for in the mail. And then I've gotten everything filled in, including a special anniversary. I've got some timed events that happen each week, as well as Ash Wednesday and Lent begins. So this is the final month. I'm going to pop in this dashboard. This will help me locate the month easily when my planner's closed. And I got this at Cloth and Paper, and the little clip came with the Cocoa Daisy kit. So that's the month in my Moxie life for February. I will see you later.